We basically serve on the crisis team. I serve as a DOT member, so I'm on the on-call team for the Dean's office, and we respond to all of the student concern reports that come into our office. So those typically are dealing with students that are experiencing some sort of crisis. It can be anywhere from family financial need all the way up to suicidal thoughts and attempts and hospitalizations.
The work that she does with students is pretty phenomenal. I mean, we're meeting with students that haven't disclosed how they're feeling before. And Juanita's able to do it in a way, she's able to set up an environment in which students just pour their hearts out to her.
Juanita, welcome. We are having a huddle today. And we are so glad you're here because you are our quarterly SLISU winner. Congratulations. Wow.
It was kind of neat in that my family was able to participate in me receiving the award, which wouldn't have happened if we would have been on campus and in person.
It's a hard job to do. It's emotional, but our students are so much better for it.
She's been invited to the Lavender graduation before by a student. Students have reached out a couple of years later following up with her. So she makes a really big impact on our students.
I think of a student that I met with a couple of years ago that was experiencing suicidal thoughts, and we were able to get them connected with resources, and we're able to help them have a conversation with their parents about mental health, in which the parents had never been supportive of their student getting connected with mental health resources. That student and their parent came back to me a couple of months later. The student was actually living off campus and at home at that time, but they drove to campus to come and meet with me because they wanted to tell me in person that the student felt like that the reason that they were still alive was because of the help and the resources I was able to get them connected to.